everything related to disease-causing microorganisms comes under the pathogenic microbiology. Example is, well, we have studied plenty of examples. HIV virus. I'm not talking about the bacteria, okay? In pathogenic microbiology comes fungi, viruses, plasmodium, no, I mean parasites, and bacteria, archaea, everything comes under this. So Microbacterium tuberculosis. This is the bacterium that causes the tuberculosis. What is tuberculosis? It is a disease of lungs. The bacteria to the airways, and in the air they goes to the lungs. From the air pathways they goes into the lungs, and in the lungs we have immune cells known as macrophages. They enter the macrophage and kills them, and slowly they colonize our lungs, and then they dominate our lungs, and then they destroy it, and our lungs don't function, and then we die. Actually, that is the severest case that can happen, but actually it damages our lungs. So this was just an example of pathogenic microbiology.